machine tool requires regular maintenance. First, disassemble the work table. Use machine oil for maintenance. After adding the machine oil, reinstall the work table to its original position. The maintenance of the saw blade position is then completed. Loosen the connecting block at the spindle box position. Pull the spindle box and the saw wire box apart by a certain distance. Drip oil into the interior of the saw wire box and onto the bearings of the spindle box. After completing the maintenance, reinstall the spindle box and tighten the connecting block. The machine tool needs to be cleaned after use. Use a vacuum cleaner to suck up the dust around it. Maintaining good maintenance and cleanliness can extend the service life of the machine tool.